Good afternoon, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study degrees of comparison. It's a part of adjective. So let's get started. So, chapter 8 adjectives, degree of comparison. About this chapter, half part we studied in our previous class. I told you adjective of quality have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative, like tall, taller, tallest, sad, sadder, saddest, easy, easier, easiest, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Means by adding er or est or more or most, we can make comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, these are all the things I made you understand in your previous class. Then I told you if we need to use positive degree, so whenever we don't make any comparison, so that time we need to use positive degree, like Mohit is a tall boy. So I'm just telling the quality of Mohit. He is a boy. Along with this, he is a tall boy, right? So tall is here positive degree. So whenever we make no comparison, so that time we should use positive degree, right? Today Rahul is sad, so sad is positive degree. It is an easy question, so easy is also positive degree. Then I told you if you want to show the similarity in the respect of the quality, then we can use the positive degree in the formation of as positive degree, as like Ram is as tall as Sham, right? In negative sentence also we can use this formation, like Ram is not as tall as Mohan, or so also we can use in the negative formation, Ram is not so tall as Mohan. So these all the things I made you understand in your previous class. I told you if you want to use comparative degree, so if we compare two things, so there we should use comparative degree, like Mohan is taller of the two boys, right? Then I told the yellow car is faster of two cars, means like I'm telling the speed of a red car and yellow car, and then before this I told the height of Ram and Mohan. So by this, if we compare two things, so we can use comparative degree in this case, right? Then we understood about superlative degree. So when we compare more than two things, we need to use superlative degree, right? Like the black car is the fastest car of these three cars, right? Then some more examples I gave you, like mangoes, orange, apples price are there 50, 80, 100. So comparison. Oranges are more expensive of these two fruits, and comparison of these three fruits, we can say apples are the most expensive of these three fruits, right? And I told you comparative degree we can use for two things and more than two things when we make direct comparison, like we can say Mohan is taller than Ram, or also we can say Mohan is the taller of two boys, right? The yellow car is the fastest of these two cars. So here we can also use the comparative degree. Okay, if we make any direct comparison, so we can use. Okay. So on the behalf of this understanding, we did some exercise. So some sentences of this exercise we did here. Sohan is a better as Rohan. So I told you we need to mention their positive degree. I am so tall as my brother. So positive degree as we can use in negative sentence, not in positive. And then more we need to mention in the third sentence. Then THAN, this word we need to mention. Then the word we need to mention before the superlative degree. And then richest is the right superlative degree of rich. Okay, so these like sentences we did in this exercise. Now rest of things we are going to understand. Okay, we will do one exercise. So dear students, comparative degree, superlative degree we have understood. Now you need to tell the comparative and superlative degrees of the given adjectives. Like one is there cheap. So please raise your hand. What can be the comparative and superlative degrees? I told you the method how to make comparison and superlative degrees. Okay, so please raise your hand. Please wait. Let me do some setting from my end. Please stay connected. Let me do something. Let me enlarge this box so that I can see everyone. Please stay connected. Meanwhile, you can think regarding the question. Okay, dear students, you need to start the video whose name I'll say. That student will start his or her video. Okay, so first of all, Ishika will come. Ishika, please tell me. Start the video first. Ishika, please tell me. Okay, very good. What is comparative and superlative degrees of cheap word?
Sir, cheaper, cheapest.
Very good, right answer. Now mute to yourself and stop the video. Answer is that cheap, cheaper, cheapest. We know that while making comparative and superlative degrees, we need to add ER and EST to make the comparative and superlative degree. Okay. Next is that if I say long, what can be the comparative and superlative degree of long? Who will let me know? Ansh, you please tell me. Start the video. Ansh, start the video. Ansh, please start the video. Then I'll give you the options to give the answer. Okay, yes, very good. Now, Ansh, please tell me. Unmute yourself.
Sir, longer and longest. Sir,
Longer.
longer, longest.
Very good, very good. Right answer. Long, longer, longest. Just ER or EST we have to add. Very good. Good answer. Next is that if I say wise, what is the comparative and superlative degree of a wise word? So Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, turn on the video first. I think she does not want to give the answer. Okay, Neha, you please. Neha, you please tell me the comparative and superlative degree of a wise word. Okay, Manishita has come. Manishita, please tell me. Neha, please wait. Neha, please stop the video. Manishita, you please tell me.
Sir, wiser and wisest.
Can you tell me the spelling? Manishita, please try. Okay. Okay, I tell you.
WISER.
Very good.
WISEST.
Very good. Right answer. So second and third degree means like wiser, wisest, we need to mention. You will find here, dear students, we have mentioned only R and ST. Why? Because E is already given there. Okay. When E is already given there, so we need to add only R or ST to make the comparative and superlative degrees. Next word is that easy. So easy word is there. So what can be comparative and superlative degrees of easy word? Who will let me know? Neha, you please tell me. Neha, yes, unmute yourself now. I have given the option. Neha, yes, please.
Sir, easier, easiest.
Can you tell me the spelling?
EASIER.
Very good, very good. Right answer. So we need to write here easier, easiest. Like instead of Y, we have to mention IER. Okay. So you need to remember this rule, dear students, while making comparative and superlative degrees. If Y letter is given in the last, okay, you can see Y letter is given in the last. Before the Y, consonant letter is there. So while making comparative, you will remove the Y and you will mention there IER and IEST to make the superlative. Okay. Next, difficult. Neha, stop the video, please. Okay. Next word is difficult. Who will let me know the comparative and superlative degree of difficult? Nikunj, you please tell me. Nikunj, start the video. Very good. Nikunj, please tell me.
More difficult and most difficult.
Yes, more difficult and most difficult. So dear students, this is the next rule. You have to remember that when there is more than one syllable, one sound in any adjective, so we have to add more or most to make the comparative and superlative degree. Like difficult, difficult. You will find two sounds are there. Difficult. These sounds are called syllable. So two syllables are there, right? In cheap word, cheap. One syllable long. One syllable wise. One syllable easy. One syllable difficult. Two syllables. So in this, I will add more and more. More and more. Sorry. Next, interesting. Who will let me know the second and third degree of interesting? Aryan, you please tell me, Aryan. Start the video, Aryan. Aryan, please start the video. Then I will give you the option to unmute to yourself. Okay, I think he doesn't know the answer. Okay, next participant. Vivek Man. Vivek, please start the video. Very good.
Sir, more interesting, most interesting.
Very good. Interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. Very good. Because two syllables are there. Interesting, interesting. Two syllables are there. So that's why we need to add more and most. Very good. Right answer. Next is that it's little tricky. So who will let me know the second and third degree of good? Who will let me know the second and third degree of good? Okay. So let me see. Akshita is there. Akshita, you please start the video. Akshita, now please tell me. What is second?
Good, better, best.
Sorry.
Sir, good, better, best.
Very good. Right answer. Good, better, best. Okay. So some words are there in English language. Their second and third degrees are totally different from the first. So we need to remember, we need to learn those adjectives, right? Good, better, best. Next is that bad. If I say bad, so what is the comparative and superlative degrees of bad word? Who will let me know? Ishika. Ishika, please start the video. Very good. Ishika, yes, please give me the answer.
Sir, birds.
I'm not getting. Can you tell me the spelling?
WORSE, worst. WORST, worst.
Very good. Very good. Right answer. Bad, worse, worst. Very good. Right answer. Bad, worse, worst. Good. Very good, beta. You have given the right answer. Please stop the video and mute to yourself. Next is that much. What is the comparative degree and superlative degree of much? Please tell me. Okay. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, you please tell me. Start the video. Ansh, now please tell me.
Sir, much, many, most.
Much.
Many, most.
Okay, yes, half is you answer is half right. So much, more, most. Okay, much, more, most. Stop the video, please. Okay, you have tried very well. Next is that many. Many. Who will let me know the second and third degree of many? Students, please raise your hand. If your answer is wrong, that's okay. That's fine. No problem. Vanshika Goyal. Vanshika, you please tell me. Vanshika.
Sir, more, most.
Yes, very good. Much and many both are having the same comparative and superlative degrees, like many, more, most, or much, more, most. Very good. Right answer. Next is that near. If I say near word, So what is the second and third degree of near word? Who will let me know? Who will tell us? Let me see who can tell us. Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, please tell me. Huh? Near. Near.
Sir, nearer, nearest.
Very good. Near, nearer, nearest. Near, nearer, nearest. Very good. You have given the right answer. Very good. Next is that old. Who will let me know the second and third degree of old? Old. O-L-D. Old. Akshita, you please tell me. Akshita, you please tell me.
Sir, old, older, oldest.
Yes, old, older, oldest, and old, elder, eldest also. Okay, so two comparative degrees are there and two superlative degrees are there. And in your next slides, I will let you know what are the differences between old and older and between oldest and eldest. Okay, next is that late. What is the comparative and superlative degrees of late? Who will let me know? Who will try? Okay, Nikunj. Nikunj, please start the video. Good, beta. Tell me the second and third degree of late.
Late, later, and latest.
Very good. Late, later, latest, and latter and last also. Okay, so late word is having two degrees, two comparative and two superlatives like late, latter, and later, and latest, and last. Okay, differences I will let you know in the next slides. Next is that far. Can you tell me the second degree and third degree of far word? Far word. Manishita will tell. Manishita, please try. Manishita, start the video.
Farther and farthest.
That's right answer. So far, farther, or further also, farthest or furthest also. Differences I will let you know. Very good, right answer. Next is little. So can you tell me the second and third degree of little word? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Vanshika, you please tell me. Vanshika, start the video. Yes, Vanshika, please try. Okay, I think Vanshika doesn't know. Okay, who will tell me next? Vivek Man. Vivek Man, you please tell me. Ansh, don't start the video, please, unless I say you. Vivek, what can be the second and third degree of late?
Little,
So little, not late. Little. Okay, I tell you. Second degree of little is little, less, least, or we can say little, lesser. Okay. So differences I will let you know. Now, dear student, please down your hand because something I'm going to teach you. Please down your hand. Everyone, please down your hand. Very good, very good. Okay, so now here we are going to understand differences between older and elder and oldest and eldest. Okay, so these degrees of old word. So let's understand. Please down your hand. Everyone, please down your hand. Okay. Elder and older mean more advanced in age. But while older can describe things as well as people, Elder is reserved for people only. Elder can also be used as a noun, as in respect your elders, whereas older can't. So, dear students, old and older. Firstly, let's talk about older and elder. If you understand the difference between older and elder, then you will understand also the differences between oldest and eldest. Okay. So, whenever you talk about people or things, जब कोई चीज एज में ज्यादा हो, more advanced in age, so you can use older or elder. Okay, so whenever you talk about people or things, you should use older. But when you talk about the people, basically family members, you should use elder. Family member peoples, you need to talk elder, and people or things or animals, you should use older. In same way, for animals, for things, and um, for human beings, you need to use oldest, and just for human beings means just for people, we should use eldest. Basically for family members. Okay, let's understand this point with some examples. Like suppose if I say, my brother is elder to me. My brother is elder to me. So I'm talking about my brother. So I need to use elder there, right? If I say someone about who is not my family member, I need to use their older too. Okay, so elder I need to mention because I'm talking about my brother. मेरा जो भाई है वो मुझसे बड़ा है. Okay, I'm talking about my brother. That's my family member. Remember this, after elder, we need to use to, not then. Okay, but when we mention older, we need to mention then, THAN, right? Next, Punit sir is older than me. Punit sir is older than me. I'm talking about human being, and he is more advanced in age than me. So I need to use their older. Remember this, after older, you need to mention then word. Again, remember, older we can use for human beings, for things and animals, but elder we need to use for the family members. Next point, the building is older than that building. This building is older than that building. So I'm talking about the building. I'm not talking about any family member. So I need to use older there, right? After older, we need to mention then, right? Suppose Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, four brothers are there. So if you are talking about the brothers, so you can say Ram is the eldest of four sons. Sorry, Ram is the eldest of the four sons. Ram उन चारों भाइयों में सबसे बड़ा है. So we are talking about the family members, so we need to use eldest, right? This house is the eldest house of any other house in the city. So this sentence is wrong. I have mentioned cross here. Why? Because eldest I have mentioned. अब मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो हाउस है इस सिटी में सबसे पुराना है. So eldest we can't mention because eldest word is used for the family members, like I have used in the previous sentence. So this sentence is wrong. Instead of this sentence, I need to say that this house is the oldest house of any other house in this city. यानी कि इस सिटी में किसी और हाउस से ज्यादा सबसे पुराना ये वाला हाउस है, right? So oldest I need to use because I'm talking about any house, anything, any place. Next, dear students, on the behalf of this understanding means about old, older, oldest, eldest, sorry. So on the behalf of this understanding, you have to do this exercise. Let's come on the first sentence. It's a very interesting. Mohit is to Rohit. So I give you two options, older or elder. I give you two options, older or elder. Which is the right answer? Please tell me. Raise your hand if you want to give the answer. I request all the students, please try give your answer. If your answer is wrong, so don't feel bad. Okay, because we are learner, we are learning something. We are not perfect. Okay, so if your answer is wrong, so that's okay, that's fine. But you should try to give the answer. Ahem, you please come. Ahem, start the video first. Okay, yes, Ahem, please tell me what can be the answer of this. Unmute to yourself.
Sir, older.
Older or elder? Two options you have. These two options you have, older or elder, first or second?
Sir, older.
Okay. Ahem, you have tried very well, but answer is that elder. You know that we are talking about two person and two word is mentioned here. If you need to mention older there, then will come here. As I told you, you in your previous slide, like you can see here, after older, then word is there. After elder, two word is there. Okay, so right answer is elder. It's very good. You have tried very well. Please stop the video. Ahem, please stop the video. Now, please come on the next sentence. Ram and Sham are good friends. They are not family members. They are good friends. Ram is then Sham. So the options are same. Older and elder. Older and elder. Both the options are same. So which is the right answer here? Raise your hand, please. Neha, please don't start the video unless I say to you. Akshita, you please start the video. Unmute yourself. Akshita, start the video first. Akshita, please start the video. Yes, very good. Now, please try to give me the answer. Which word will come here? Two options you have, older or elder.
Sir, Ram is older than Sham.
Very good. Ram is older than Sham. Very good. You have given the right answer because we need to compare in the age, and secondly, then word is there. And we are making comparison of two person. That's why older is right word here. Very good. You have given the right answer. Come on the next sentence. Next sentence is that in the last 3 years, I have bought two cycles. One is of red color and other is of blue color. Right? So our question is that the red cycle is older or elder than other. The red cycle is older or elder than other. Who will give me the answer? Vanshika Goyal, please tell me. Vanshika, please tell me the answer. Vanshika, please tell me the answer. Yes, older will come here. Very good, right answer. Because we are talking about the things, objects we are talking. And then word is already mentioned there. So older word will come here. Very good. You have given the right answer. Come on the next sentence. I have three dogs. Jackie, Tommy, and Sheru. I have three dogs. Jackie, Tommy, and Sheru. So I need to say here, Sheru is the dog of these three dogs. Sheru is the dog of these three dogs. Oldest or eldest. जो शेरू है वो सबसे बड़ा डॉग है. So what we will say? Age में सबसे बड़ा डॉग है. So what we will say? Oldest or eldest? Raise your hand, dear students. Raise your hand. Let me see who can give me the answer. Neha, you please give me the answer. Neha, start the video. Sai Pratik, Dipanshi, Harshit, you are not trying to give the answer. You should also try to give the answer. Neha, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Tell me what is the right answer here. Neha.
Oldest.
Yes, oldest will come here because we are making comparison among the animals, not any human beings. Very good, right answer. So oldest will come here. Sheru is the oldest dog of these three dogs. Very good, right answer. Next, this is the tree in the forest. This is the tree in the forest. The same options we have, oldest and eldest. So which is the right answer? Neha, please stop the video. Stop the video, please. Sai Pratik, you please tell me. Sai Pratik, tell me, please start the video first. Now, please tell me.
Sir, this is the oldest tree in the forest.
Oldest tree. Why? Because we are comparing trees which are not human beings. That's why we need to mention their oldest, not eldest. So, dear students, this is also a point to remember. Whenever you mention the superlative degree, so before the superlative degree, we need to use the word. Okay, Sheru is the right oldest dog. This is the oldest tree. The word we need to mention whenever we mention the superlative degree. Okay, come on the next slide. Okay, about this we will understand tomorrow, not today. Now I want to check your notebook. So please raise your hand if your notebook is completed.